Ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, welcome back to the channel for another video. And in today's video, we get to put on the first cosmetic piece to the 11th gen. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be putting on a front bumper cover overlay from Jets Vinyl. There it is right here. And it's going to go on right through here. Now it'll kind of give it that 10th gen look. So I'm interested to see what it'll look like. It was only 40 bucks. I'll put a link in the description. I'm pretty sure I got the last one, but they have all kinds of other ones too. They have ones for the headlights, for the tail lights, for the fog lights, for the lenses. Eric sells them from all of them. So make sure to go to Jets Vinyl and check it out. Alright, let's get to installing this baby. Alright folks, well, the camera didn't record what I just did here, so I already have it pretty much set where I wanted it. Since the camera didn't record it, I'm gonna pretty much pull it back off and do it again for you. Not very happy, but I did have a couple little areas that I can fix in the meantime doing it, so let's do it. Hopefully this doesn't stop it from adhering. So what I did was I took the paper off and I lined it up at the top here. So I'm just going to kind of do it again, except I only kind of put this side on fairly lightly, and then I took this side, and as you can see I had already kind of had it down there around the Honda symbol. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to take this top line and I'm going to line it up with this little edge, this little body line right here. And instead of having like a tool or whatever, I'm just going to use the paper that was provided off the back. And we'll take our paper and work our way up the side with it, like so. Looks good. Now this side here, I want it to line up right down in there, right there, perfect. Little bubble right there, we'll have to take that out. Alright, passenger side looks good. And honestly, this side's already good. I'm not going to redo that side. You just do the exact same thing. Now what I do need to do is I went in and grabbed a little screwdriver because I'm just a little heavy right in here. Get rid of those little blemishes. Now understand, I'm not touching the emblem, I'm pushing in the vinyl. That looks good. Alright, now all we have to do is take these bottom edges and get them hooked up. Never used Jets Vinyl before, this is the first time. And honestly, very easy to put on. Very easy to take off too, as you could tell. I'm going to try to get this in there without folding that corner up. It's probably going to happen, but I'm going to try to do it without doing it. One last push over on this side. Make sure it's on there really good. Alright, driver's side's done. That actually looks really, really good. It's pretty easy to put on. Pretty self-explanatory, really, to be honest. Took about 10-15 minutes. So just make sure you clean the surface first really well and make sure it's really dry before you put it on. I'd say anywhere between 70 and 90 degrees is probably the best to put it on. Really pliable, really easy to work with. I highly recommend it. Thank you, Jets Vinyl. I greatly appreciate it. It was only like 40 bucks. I'll drop a link in the description below. And as always, this was your boy Miller. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. And voila, she is done. I do have a tiny little crease right there, a very tiny one. I'm the only one that's gonna see it, so.